The Honeywell True HEPA Air Purifier with Allergen Remover is perfect for use in rooms up to 310 square feet. The HEPA filtration of this unit helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The A+ Genuine Pre-Filter is the first level of filtration and helps to capture larger particles while reducing odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel with 3 air cleaning levels to choose from with a turbo setting, automatic shutoff, 2, 4, and 8-hour timer, dimmer option for the control panel lights, and filter change indicator light with reset buttons. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 310 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.